Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set the date and time on a Casio Gshock with module number 3427 and model number GD120. The first step is to put the watch in the timekeeping mode by pressing the mode button few times until you see the day of the week on the screen. Press and hold the adjust button for 3 seconds until the seconds start to blink. Now, to reset the second to 0, press on the forward button one time. Once you have that, press the mode button one time, and now press on the forward button again to turn DST or summertime on or off. I will leave it off for now. You can press the forward button to turn it on. Now press on the mode button one time and use the two buttons on the right side of the watch to choose your current time zone or current city. If you don't know which one to choose, please leave your region in the comment below and I will guide you. I will use Cairo CAI. Once you choose, press the mode button one time, and now again you can use the two buttons on the right side of the watch to choose the hour of your local time. Press the mode button again, and again use the two buttons on the right side to choose the minutes of your local time. We're gonna use forward and reverse button to choose the minutes of the local time. Press the mode button one time, and now press on the forward button to choose either to display on the screen 12 hours or 24 hours military time. Press the mode button again and use the two buttons on the right side to choose the year. Press the mode button again, and now we're gonna press on the right side, on the two buttons on the right side to choose the months, January, February, March, etc. Press on the mode button again, and now use the two buttons on the right side to choose the date. Press on the mode button again. Now choose either LT1 or LT3 by pressing the forward button. They are the light duration, LT1 1.5 seconds and LT3 3 seconds. Once you choose the light duration, press the mode button again. Press the mode button again and press on the adjust button to return to the timekeeping mode. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.